Yeah, so welcome to my channel. So today we'll be trying to exploit Metasploitable 2. We'll be trying to exploit port 80 and do some remote code execution by injecting a PHP script to the web service and use it to get a reverse shell. So here is Metasploitable 2 running on my virtual box, as you can see. So let's just go ahead to do some okay. So I won't take much of our time. I already did the mapping scan here, as you can see. I need to scan everything on this /24, everything on this network. As you can see, it has 0.1, 0.196, which is our Metasploitable 2 machine, then 0.116, which is my host Kali machine. Right, so yeah, I tried to scan for service and its version. Right, it's running on this 0.196 Metasploitable machine. So as you can see, we have the FTP port open. Right, we have port 22 SSH open. But we're interested in port 80. Okay, so here it is. We have port 80 open, right, as you can see. So this is what we're interested in for today. So now we would use the netcat command. Right, let's see what request headers this HTTP service supports. Right, so if you do this, you do options. Okay, so here you can see these are the different directories we have. We have this Tiki, we have PHP myadmin, we have this, we have this, and we have this. But today we are interested in this slash DAV. Why? Because it's a file directory. If you come here, right, you can see all of it. This is our GUI. If you click on this, so you can see index of slash DAV, right? So this is what we're interested in today. So now we've used good. So you can see it allows a whole lot of request headers here. You can see. Right, so we'll try, but the one we are interested in using today is put to transfer the reverse shell script from our host attack machine to the vulnerable machine, right? But then it's not listed here, but let's just try put. It's also a request header. So we'll use Cadaver for that. Cadaver. Right, so let me copy. Oh, okay, so before doing that, sorry, let me locate where my script is. So you can see that's my script. So you do sudo nano Okay, so you come here. As you can see, you need to change this, the IP address and the port number. So basically this IP address is going to be the IP address of your local host, which is where you are listening on, right? And this is mine. I already changed mine, and this is the port I want to listen on, right? So in your case, you might have to change it from 127.0.0.1 to whatever your local host IP address is. So now let's go back to Cadaver. Right, so let me just copy the commands here. Right, as you can see, succeeded. Right, we succeeded. Now we've injected that reverse shell script onto our vulnerable machine. Right, let's confirm. So if you come here and you reload, you can see we now have the reverse shell.php script here in this directory. So let's set up our list now. Right, then before we now execute the script, so now once you click on this, right, you come back here, yeah, and that's it, we are in, as you can see, right? So if you do online, right, and if you do ls, let me see, you can see. But then this current shell we have is a very limited shell. So after gaining access like this, you have to escalate your privileges to a more advanced shell, right? So we're going to use Python to do that. So here's the Python command to do so. So that we will get a bash shell. Yeah, as you can see, /bin/bash. Yes, we are trying to use this turning Python to import this, right? Then spawn a bash shell. So click on enter. Good. Now you can see we are www/data@metasploitable2. You can see it's now different, unlike what it was before. You can see, right? So now if you do config, okay, do sbin/if config, right? Okay, right. So you can see this is the two interface on this machine. It is 0 and LO. So let's just create a file. Yeah, so let's just let's go to cd www. Okay, yeah, so you can see here is where our reverse shell script is. So let's just create a file that says you've been hacked. So touch text good. So if you do cat act, oh sorry about that, boom, so you can see you've been hacked. You just created a file just for, you know, to for as an evidence that yes, we were here, right? So we can now just go ahead, you know, clean. As an hacker, it's always, you know, ethical when after you are done with everything you came to do, it's always, you know, advisable to clean up, right? So the blue team, when they are trying to probably they detect the attack, and they're now trying to, you know, trace where it came from, right? But if you try to remove your history, you try to clean your footprint, right? So they might not even get to know that somebody has been here. So what we'll do now is remove our script php. Okay, good. So we only have our acts.txt file left, so I think that's all for today. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.